In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this card using the Shine Bright bundle, the Shine Bright stamp set, and the Stitched Brightly dies. They coordinate together in a bundle, and if you purchase them together, you get 10% off. Go to my website, eStampin.com, and use the December hostess code, and I will send you this card and a free gift. So let's get started. So I have the materials right here, already cut out and ready to go. So I used the rectangle stitch dies for this one, and I used petal pink. I used the stitch shapes dies. And I have the star in petal pink, kind of a different color. But I kind of like this non-traditional Christmas color together. And then I stamped Peace on Earth on top. I also stamped the card base itself with this little flower that's in the stamp set. I did it in the corners, 3 there and 3 up here. And then I just put it together. So I've already cut out from the dies this nice line of stars, pretty stitched stars. And so I'm just gonna put some adhesive in between each of the stars and adhere it to my strip of petal pink. And then adhere this whole piece down to the card. And then I'm going to place this piece on dimensionals. And then I'll just attach it to the card. Pretty simple, but a very pretty card. So I hope you like this card and I hope you'll make it. Again, I used the Shine Bright bundle, the Shine Bright stamp set, and the Stitched Brightly dies. There's also trees and these pine leaves. So go to my website, eStampin.com, and use this hostess code, and I will send you this card and a free gift. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.